chance to run, leave behind the said and done, figure out what's to come. Reasons, all the bigger things again.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video, another adventure at TassieHub. Roscoe and I at the Mossy Marsh Dam. Now we've been here before and we did see a lot of trout, so we came back and yeah, we're pretty hopeful that we'll get a few today, so hopefully we'll get some. Subscribe to the channel and yeah, enjoy the views. Let's do it. Go for him. Go for him. At Mossy Marsh Dam. And I've got a nice brown trout. It's got a really, oh, it's just got off. Our first Mossy Marsh trout.
For the season.
Yeah. Ross is on to another one. Nice little brown. Two casts, 2 fish. Bring him up to the camera, mate.
Oh yeah,
he's only a small one, but they're loving Old Faithful. I just lost that one. Here's a nice fish.
Yeah.
Nice work.
I thought I lost him because he come up and hit it, and then he come back.
Mine
again.
got off. Oh, that's a nice fish. It's actually gone really nice and calm now, hasn't it? So, Mossy Marsh is quite a very shallow fishery, so we're going to change tack. Ross is going to set up his fly rod. I might chuck a Selder on and see if we're successful doing that method. Beautiful little fishery though. So Roscoe, what are we using fly wise?
Oh, just a little mayfly imitation, I'd say that is. Yeah.
Get some going.
Just trying to get a little bit of this lube out of here to keep him afloat.
Oh, you do need the old lube sometimes, don't you?
Yeah, you do.
Keep it nice and, well, not really wet, dry.
Keep it dry.
First cast, massive hit, and it wasn't a small fish either. Didn't bring the net. No. Good fish. Yeah, nice. Nice work, mate. Roscoe.
From Tosco.
Look at that.
A nice colour, isn't it?
Got it on the fly. You ripper. Got a small fish on. I don't think he's that big. Oh no, he's fighting a little bit. He's wrapped himself up. Little brown. Yep. Just a little one. Nice spots on him. Oh, not a nice river, nice Mossy Marsh. Brown. Another nice brown. Woo. It's pretty nice, this one. He fought pretty well too. Look at this one. Look at the colours on him. Beautiful colours. Not bad fishing so far. I think I've got 3 small ones. Ross has got 3. One was actually a nice size on the fly, as you saw before, and he just lost one. A big trout just took his fly and got off, so we're hoping we can get some bigger ones. Bigger ones, baby. Got another fish. Got another fish. It's moving. About the same size as the other one. This got a bit more weight to it, Ross. Another trout. That's number 5 for me. He's a little bit bigger. Just a little bit bigger. Look at him. Another nice brown. I'm stalking a nice brown over here, see if he gets him. I might wade out a little bit further, see if I can get settled in between these bits of... He's going off his tits. Oh, a few good little jumps out of him. Oh, he smacked that. He smacked it. Oh, and he's off. Well, Mossy Marsh Dam done and dusted. Roscoe, what do you reckon? Not a bad little fishery.
Yeah.
Heaps of small trout.
Too many small ones, I think.
Heaps of small buggers. So yeah, it's good fun if you want to catch a few small trout. We're gonna have a little bit of lunch. Look at these bad boys. And yeah, we'll figure out where we want to go next. But yeah, we're over Mossy Marsh. The weather's a little bit drizzly and a little bit depressing, so we'll have something to eat. And yeah, we'll check up at another spot. So I might see you there. Cheers for following. Subscribe. See you on the next one.